In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Microsoft document easily. First of all, open a Microsoft document and create a blank document. To generate QR code, we have to add a add-ons. In the top right corner, here is add-ons option. Click on that. You will get this pop-up. In the search box, search QR code. Scroll down a bit. We can generate QR code easily using this add-on. QR for official. Click on add. After adding QR for official add-ons, we will get this pop-up window. In the top here is you will see a URL box. You have to put your website link or Facebook page link or Instagram page link here to generate QR code. I will put my website link here. Here is some customization option. You can change the QR code color as well, and you can increase the size of QR code as well. Once all customization done, click on insert. Our QR code is finally generated. To download this QR code on your device, right click on the QR code, and here is a save as picture option. Click on that. Select the location. Click on save. That's how we can generate QR code using Microsoft Word very easily. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.